Every year I try, but my rosemary always dies when I bring it in during the winter.
Well, there could be a number of factors in which that. One, I'm assuming it is in some form of a container if he or she is bringing it inside. Two, you've got to figure out the acclimation. I mean, if it's when are you bringing it in? Is it 80 degrees and tomorrow it's supposed to be 14 and you're bringing it in to a climate that's 70 degrees, or where's the variation there? How are you taking care of it when it is inside? Rosemary has a very is very fidgety and has it can get root rot very easily by overwatering.
I bet it's like some sort of root rot situation that turns into a problem because depending on when you're bringing it in, maybe it is a little bit too wet.
Yeah.
And then you bring it in and then the warmth happens and that could cause a rot.
Yeah. We've had rosemary that we started indoors in a hanging pot in our south-facing window, and that grew for a couple of years. But it stayed consistently in the south-facing window indoors year-round, so there wasn't that transition. And eventually it did die because it got root rot because we watered it incorrectly. So.
Right. That happens with a lot of plants, root rot, especially if they change climates. So